What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today what I want to do is go over the process of how to set up Git and install Git on macOS. And in particular I'm going to be using Brew, aka Homebrew over here. If you want to support the channel, consider making a purchase of DevWP. It's the theme that I use when I'm teaching people how to code custom WordPress themes. I spent thousands of hours and years working on this process, and by making a purchase you support the channel and you get all the files, the folders, the documentation, and everything you need to get set up. You could also take a look at some of my previous videos, and of course make sure to subscribe. Alright, so Homebrew. Now this is the missing package manager for macOS or Linux. If you don't already have it installed on your system, by default you won't, then you would go to this website here, brew.sh, and you would install Homebrew by taking this command here, copying it to your clipboard. I'm in VS Code, but I'm using the terminal for VS Code, and you would just paste that there. I already have Brew installed, so there's no need for me to do that, but that's how you install Brew. Alright, so once you're done installing Brew, it should set itself up properly within your system, and then you could run a couple of commands. One command is brew doctor, another command is brew update, and if everything's working properly, then it should be set up on your system. Now we can move on to installing Git via Brew. So it's pretty straightforward. You just type out brew install git. I already have it installed, but that's the command you would use. Once you have it installed, you could type out git space -- version, hit return, and it tells you the version that you currently have. If you're not sure if you have Git installed via Brew or if you installed it in a different way, you could type out the command brew list git, and if you set it up with Brew, you'll get something outputted like this. If Git is not installed with Brew, then you'll get an error. You could also type out which Git, and that tells you where Git is installed. Or you could type out brew info Git. Now Git is very important to have when you're developing your WordPress themes or plugins or any project that you're working on that you want to put into version control. It gives you a lot of features and functionality and ways to test out your code and to clone projects that are saved either on GitHub or another repository. Alright, so throughout the various videos that I'll be creating, I'll be demonstrating how to use Git, what the benefits are, and some tips and tricks to streamline your workflow. But in this video, I just wanted to make sure you had Git installed on your macOS system, and we did this using Homebrew. Alright, so again, if you can, consider supporting the channel by getting a copy of DevWP, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, hit the notifications icon, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding.